Hi, I'm Jade, welcome to Wakawax. I'm going to show you how to clean and detail your car today without any water at all. I'll be demonstrating on this RS4. What I like about this product is you can use it on multiple surfaces. You can use it on the glass, the panels, the rims. You can even use it around the house, like in your showers, your windows, and even the splashbacks. Basically any hard surface that needs a clean and polish. Right, so I'm going to start on the windows. Just give a few light sprays like that. That just lifts the dirt off of the surface. Then you take your microfiber and you just suck up that dirt. You take your light microfiber and you give it a quick polish. Wakawax is hydrophobic, so it reduces fingerprints and the condensation inside and outside of the car. It also ensures that the water runs off of it, so it doesn't leave those watermarks. Moving on to the panels, same application. You just give a few light sprays like that. Then you take your dark microfiber again and you just suck up that dirt. Give it a quick polish. Wakawax is made with Monton wax, which is it's derived from a fossil and it has a really high heat threshold. So it just protects your paint for longer and adds that extra layer of protection. Moving on to the rims, you just give a few light sprays again. As you know, when you wash your car and you do your rims, the brake dust settles up to 2 to 3 days later. What Wakawax does is it reduces that brake dust settling up to 75%. We only use high quality microfibers. We use the green one and the black one for the lifting of the dirt, and then the white one just for the polishing. Our microfibers are made with 360 GSM and are high quality and high density. Our microfibers are also laser edge cut, so they won't scratch or damage your paint. One bottle will get you 4 to 5 washes out of this size vehicle. You can reapply it every 4 to 6 weeks, but you don't have to do it before that time. As you know, when you clean your car, dust settles. You just take your microfiber and you just brush it off. No need to reapply the Wakawax. So we use the black one just to lift the dirt. We can also use the green one to lift the dirt if the black one gets too dirty. And we always use the white one for polishing.